bald head.
It's Tom.
Hey!
That's Tom's head. Although from the
Come
back,
on, there's a little more up there than
from
you
the
got.
back, it's hard to tell.
Uh-huh.
They working good? Spit out the carrot.
Guess so.
Did you repair it? Mm-hmm. She likes them. Oh, she ate it.
Mala just cannot have it.
No.
Too much fun.
Yo.
Let's take a picture of her snoring face.
Okay.
Open your eyes.
Oh, that's a nice face.
I'll have them.
Look at this. Oh, she's smiling. Looks like she's gonna snore.
Oh, goodness.
Are you gonna keep us up snoring? Open it up. I tested my carrot out.
There, that's better. Now everybody's not washed up.
Oh,
Well, have that white
Pale already.
already.
Pinker. Open that other one up then over there. Yeah, great.
You cutie. Yeah, nobody of you awake yet, and here you are at midnight, rolling around. 12:30. You're so cute. I know she is. The whole time I had her, she was a... You're gonna make me feed you again before I can go to sleep, aren't you?
No.
That's okay. Mom just had a bath. You looking at me? You're so cute. You're adorable.
Oh my.
I don't know if we caught that on video. Aha. What a bright light that. That is kind of a bright light, yeah. Oh, she looks yellow again.
That could be the
Yellow light, I suppose. It's possible. It's very possible. Did I not show up? Baby Cam. You just can't stop wiggling, can you? You're so cute. You're so long. You're ever gonna turn your whole self around? It's like the hokey pokey. And do the hokey pokey. What are you trying to do? Huh? You're so cute. Good baby. I tell you that much, yeah. Grandma and You're awake? I did. She's just so much fun when she's awake.
I taught her about tooting spaces.
Yeah, you keep tooting.
That's what she was doing down there too.
Is that what you're trying to do? Get in the right position to toot?
Uh-huh. Aw.
Huh?
Nah,
Huh? Are you getting tired at all? No. No.
it's good that she's stay up there. She's a stronger lady.
Yep. You're so cute. Oh, you're sticking your tongue out, huh?
Oh. Excuse her.
They don't even have smell-o-vision.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Mom's still in pain. Can't laugh very hard. You make me laugh and it hurts. Bless you.
Oh, poor thing.
One more? Is that a
No,
big
just
yawn?
the yawn.
Are you getting tired so we can go to sleep?
Nope.
Nope.
Nope, nope, nope.
Okay.